Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are at Lindo Lake, and man, is it beautiful out today. Hey, guy, how you doing? Take 2 laps for me, will you? Because I won't do it. Hey, we're talking about the 2026 Chevy Equinox LT2. This is all 100% electric. And you know, I gotta tell you, I think Chevrolet's got this electric car thing figured out. I was just on a Bolt experience 2027. And everything between range and drivability, you can't beat it. So this is the Equinox. This is a little bit bigger than the Bolt, and I'm very happy with the way this car rides. It drives, but you know what's unique about it? Look at the color. It's black. When is the last time you've seen a black car other than a police car? I mean, it's just absolutely kind of blew me away when I seen it. Got a little bit of a blue tinge on the interior. It's got all the bells and whistles. Massive Google map on the screen. We'll look at that when we do our walk around. But stylish wheels, nice low. It's really low. It's easy to get into, but got great visibility. Heads-up display. It just has a lot of things going for it. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and do a walk around, and we'll get more in depth on this 2026 Chevy Equinox. All right, folks. Well, we're taking a look at the front end of this 26 Chevy Equinox LT2. And by the way, the geese gave us approval and moved on. It's interesting, like I was mentioning the color. I mean, it just kind of stands out. You don't see any chrome to speak of, other than a little accent along the bottom of it. They give you a little blue E on the Equinox so that you know it is an electric vehicle. Charging door on the side, of course, stylish wheels. And believe it or not, those wheels are designed to get you your maximum range. This one gets over 300, which I thought was very, very good. Have no complaints whatsoever. Great interior, super comfortable. And this is another feature that Chevrolet has. If you have the, if you have the key fob on you, I'll show you in a second. But look at this. Here's your blue. Here's the blue that I was talking to you about. But it's very subtle. Not. And you got some up here on the vents for your air conditioning and heat. Now, the minute you open the door, I've got 72% left. Of battery on the vehicle, and it's got 237 mile range, which is awesome. But what's really unique is that when I get in, the minute I sit in the seat and put my foot on the brake pedal, the car starts. Okay? And as the car starts, now it's going to yell at me because I have the door unlocked or door open. But look at this nav system. I mean, is that amazing or what? I mean, it's huge. The other thing that's really nice with an electric car, if I hit search, see this little bolt of lightning right there? Well, if I hit that, it's asking me to sign in because I didn't hit the right button. There. Look at all the charging stations. Tells me where they're at. This one's a super fast one. This is super fast and very fast. It tells me, how long it's going to take me to get there. There's the address. Oh, look, there's a restaurant, there's computer opportunities, and a grocery store. So they give you everything that you need. And, of course, you can scroll up because there's tons of them. Because you might be an EVgo, Electrify America, a Tesla supercharger. And it's interesting, mostly successful. Makes you wonder because there are some chargers that just aren't successful. They're either having problems with them or maybe they're not working. Just a really nice feature on this. You got great cameras, and we've, take a look. You got overhead, you got side. You even got if you have a trailer hitch on it, so you could actually back this car up and get it hooked up to your trailer with absolutely no problem. You got the just really such a good idea. And then the minute you put it in park and then get out, you it turns itself off. It's got a wireless charger down here in the hold. Very nice seating, heated, cooled. Door handles open up the minute you get into it. Now this particular, got a gift on somebody this morning. I forgot to pull that out. Nice, comfortable back seats. You can get in, and that's even getting in with a camera, which is not always the easiest thing in the world to do. You've also got some of the other features. You got built-in Google, got a 17-inch LCD display, even has the wiring for a trailer if you need it. That's EvoTech seating services, so if you got kids, and they drop their breakfast or lunch, easy clean. Rear seats are 60-40 split. You've got heated steering wheel, ambient lighting, power lift gate, got roof rails so you can add units and devices, roof racks, toolies, and what have you. If you're the more adventurous type of a person, you've got, let's see, power lift gate, which is really nice. Now this is not a 3-row, this is just a 2-row, and but you've got plenty of storage space in this. You also have the option of a tonneau cover that'll cover the vehicle. I'm not sure if this one came with it. No, this one has not. It was probably more of an option. There's all your cables, plus you have storage in the bottom. Let's see. You've also got, a little plug-in for, in case you want to do some accessories, fire up some accessories. Tie downs are built into it, which is really, they did a nice job with that. Again, just a well-rounded automobile, if you ask me. You've also got some of the safety. You got auto braking, forward collision, forward pedestrian and bicycle alert, rear pedestrian alert, follow distance alert, auto high beams, rear cross traffic, blind zone, steer assist, reversed auto braking, intersection auto braking, side bicycle alert, traffic sign so you'll know how fast you should be going, HD surround and adaptive cruise control, and super cruise. So it's got everything you could ever want from a safety standpoint, and it's also an absolutely enjoyable car to drive. What are we looking at price-wise? Well, let's see. Base is out at $41,900. It's got $6,955 worth of options, so it's got an awful lot of options on it. And of course, you can build it as you see fit and get all the good things that you want out of it. The total is about $50,000. You got a 117-mile range in the city, 100 miles on the freeway. Not range, it's MPE, I guess is what you'd call it. And they're rated at 319-mile range. I think I charged it up. We got about 320 something. So it's a great electric car. Got plenty of range, got plenty of capability. And after a while, the range anxiety does go away. So hey, check out my YouTube page at Mr. Dave Stahl. I'm soon going to be firing up my my website again, and that'll be davestahl.com. That'll be coming in here in the near future, and the videos and other automotive news will be attached accordingly. So hey, like, share, and subscribe. I'd truly appreciate it. And go check out the new Chevy Equinox. I think you will be impressed.